Yes, she has confessed that she is a part of the conspiracy, but the question about as to who is the mastermind, that needs to be established, because she is blaming Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam. Yes, we will take them to Sora after we have completed our interrogation, because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons, that will have to be ironed out. And once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crime scene. The fact through interrogation, and we will be also, based on their statements, we will be verifying whatever she says, and then we will be able to say how much or what kind of transaction have taken place. As of now, the accused persons have denied, but that cannot be ruled out, and it is a matter of further investigation. See, the SIT members are there, and the members of the SIT, as they are interrogating these accused persons.
Okay, since there can be elements of lying, not telling the truth, will you be seeking the court for lie detectors and other scientific norms of investigations?
See, first of all, when they give their statements, we have to verify the veracity of their statements. Like if they say that, okay, we have done this, or we have gone to that place, X, Y, Z place, or all that, we will actually have to physically go and verify whether their statement matches with the facts or not. So that we will have to actually physically go and investigate and verify their statements as to their alibis. As of now, she has denied, and from the statements of the accused person, it appears that it was the hired contract killers who actually killed Raja. Yes, the statement of the accused persons, that is the contract killers, suggests that Sonam helped in throwing the body after Raja was killed. She helped in lifting the body and throwing to the gorge.
All these activities were done in Wei Saodong or any other place?
According to the statements, it was done in Wei Saodong. It is one of the red lights, in a sense that, see, there were certain inconsistencies in the facts that were before the police at that point of time. Like, for instance, we had recovered the body, we had recovered the murder weapon, but the girl was missing. Then there was a case of this Mangal Sutra. There were also cases like, for instance, a new couple had come to Sora for honeymoon, and there was nothing posted on the social media, no photographs taken of the couple and all that. So these were the red flags that actually made the police investigate the angle of probably an inside job. Yes, this is prima facie, it appears so, but like I said, we will be able to establish all that and confirm all that only after we complete the interrogation. As far as we know, they carried the suitcase. The rider put it in front in the front side and between his legs, and that was how they carried the suitcase. Yes, it appears halfway she went along with this other accused persons, halfway up to Mokadok, and from Mokadok, it appears she went. The other accused persons, there's 3 contract killers. They went ahead, and Sonam from there proceeded to Guwahati, and then thereafter to Indore. Yes, it must be either the contract killers or Sonam herself, because at that point in time there were 3 scooties, and it appears they were together at that point of time. That scooty was abandoned at Sora Rim with the key on, with the key of the scooty. And thereafter, Sonam got into one of the scooties along with the contractors. That is under investigation at this stage, so I will not be able to reveal all that. So it's a matter of investigation, so I will not be able to. No, it's there.
In which part of Shillong, sir, they hired a scooty?
So all that details I will not be able to share at this point in time. Scooty has been hired from Shillong, so we are also confirming about when they hired, where they went, and all that, and on the routes also we are also confirming from the source. See, as far as our information goes, they probably reach Shillong around the same time with Sonam and Raja. See, we have already given in our earlier statements also that Sonam and Raj, they are the prime suspects, okay, and the prime accused. So we stand by that. As of now, they continue to be the prime accused. However, who is the actual mastermind who actually started this plot? That needs to be to be established at this stage. See, that is why first we are now recording the statements of these accused persons separately, individually. At a later date, now we will confront them with the other accused persons, and the contradictory statements will be placed before both the accused at the same time. And then we will see that so-and-so is saying this, so-and-so is saying this. What actually is the truth? That we will be placing before the accused persons, and we will establish the truth based on by confronting each other, the accused persons. We are seeking assistance from Guwahati police also, and all other state police, wherever the assistance is required. We will be seeking assistance and help from those police forces as well.